stuck right now to go in the curl position. I have absolutely no play in the down position. Hey everybody, this is my dad's Kubota B3300SU. We're having some hydraulic issues with the front end loader. It'll curl up, but the bucket will not curl down. The loader arms raise and lower just fine. We can use the PTO implements just fine. The tractor moves forward and backwards just fine. The only thing that's not working right now is the curl down feature on the bucket. There's absolutely no play in the joystick to get it to curl down. And when you curl up, it kind of sticks. It kind of pops a little bit. My dad and I, we've been out here trying to self-diagnose this, and we've tried a couple things, but pretty much we just kind of stood there staring at it, waiting for it to be fixed. Are you fixed yet? Let's fire this thing up. You guys can get an idea of what's going on, and I'll walk you through kind of what we've done with the tractor. That way you guys can kind of check that off your guys's, ideal list of what could be wrong. Unfortunately, I think it has something to do with the spool valve, so that might be something I have to rebuild. But if it's something simple, please let me know, because I don't want to spend the money if I don't have to. So yeah, let's fire this thing up. So this is kind of what it's been doing. It's stuck right now to go in the curl position. But when it does, it's a slow curl. But I have absolutely no play in the down position. And I can't get it to go down. So to go over some of the things that me and my dad kind of tried to do to try to problem solve this is we swapped all the lines around just to see if we can't get it to function in the down position, to see if it would even clear this up. Maybe there was a restriction there binding the hydraulic system up. That's where all that oil came from, is lines that had a little bit in there seeped out. There's no visible leaks on the tractor that we can see. So I crawled under it and took some pictures of the filters just to get a part number, because I plan on changing the hydraulic fluid. It's never been done. This tractor is a 2013 B3300, and we bought it with 419 hours on it. And the guy told us that they changed the oil in it, which the oil filter's new and it's got the hour written on it that it was changed. But the hydrostat and the hydraulic filters, those are still factory. They still got factory paint on them. So those have never been changed. The previous owner, this tractor sat a lot, and now that me and my dad have it, we're using it a lot on our property to, dig driveways out for two houses, and that we just stirred some stuff up and now it's stuck in the spool valve system. That's one theory. So we might have to pull the spool valve and just clean it. That's the cheap option. The other option is to get a rebuild kit, which those go anywhere from like $120 to $160 from Kubota. And I really don't want to rebuild it if I don't have to, but I guess if I'm going to take it out and clean it, I want to have a rebuild kit there just in case I need to rebuild it. But I don't know. I'm going to change the hydrostat and the hydraulic fluid anyway, and change the filters just because it hasn't been done. I went and picked up some fluid at Tractor Supply. It's the Traveler hydrostat hydraulic fluid. And I got to wait till Monday to go over to Kubota to pick up the filters. And I'm going to see if they have a filter kit, just because if the only thing that they did was the oil on this tractor, none of the other filters have ever been changed either. So I might as well do that right now. If you guys have any idea what could be wrong with this, right now I'm leaning on the spool valve needs to come out after I drain the fluid, and that needs to be cleaned, and I think that whole monoblock needs a good flush. I think there's some contamination that we stirred up, and now it's trying to pass through and it got stuck. But it's kind of weird that I don't have any play in the joystick at all. I can go up, but it pops when I go up, and I can't go down at all. So if you guys have any idea, let me know, and we can get this thing fixed and back in action.